A big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there to my channel, the Twin Flame Union. And in this channeling session, I am going to be talking about, the title is Divine Masculine Really Misses Divine Feminine and his heart is aching. He has a heartache because of that. And this message is specifically for those people who have been in very long separation with the Divine Masculine. So the Divine Masculine and the Feminine haven't spoken to one another for quite some time, haven't interacted with one another. And this Divine Masculine is feeling a lot of heartache. He's feeling the pain of separation, and he is feeling this pain the way the feminine was feeling it when the separation had just started. So he is saying that he is pretending to be happy in front of other people, but he is not. And in a way, the other people also feel, though he is thinking that they probably don't know that he's sad or he's pretending to be happy, but even the other people are getting his vibes, his energy, that something is up with him, something that he's not sharing. And when you have a heartache because of love, it is kind of evident to many people, especially who are spiritualistic by nature or who have who have mastered or who know what love is or what emotions are, what feelings are. And he's actually thinking that he could never do this. He could never pretend so much, pretend to be so happy, pretend to not care as an act. But inside, he has a hole in his heart. He feels very, very, very bad and very sorry for whatever happened between them. In fact, he is kind of getting opened or awakened to the fact that he actually does think about the feminine all the time, and this is something that he had refuted when the feminine had told him, is what I'm getting over here. The feminine had told him that she thinks about him all the time. And when he said that, oh, how do you know this is love? How do you know you really love me? And at that time, she had said to him that I think about you all the time and I have this very strong connection towards you. I feel that you have all my love and all my attention. It is something that I cannot put in words, but you are almost like present with me. Back then, she had very innocently told him how she feels for him, how much she loves him, and it was based on her own experience of love, because she had realized that this is the way she thinks about him. She does not think about other people. The way she has this connection with him, she has never felt this. So she said the same things to him, and he simply said, no, that is just not happening. That's just not true. It's not love. It's not love. And at that point in time, he obviously didn't like her. He obviously loved her, but he didn't like many of the things she did. He didn't agree with those things. He didn't accept her the way she is. He found some kind of embarrassment being in love with her. And that hurt her the most. At that time, he's realizing it now, that the way he behaved with her, the way he made her feel like he's embarrassed of the way she is, the way she talks, those were the things that he was drawn to at first. Those were the things, but only after the doubt started creeping in his mind, or he started becoming too judgmental. He started, making every small thing, making meaning out of it. Anything she would do or say, he would find some fault at it. So all of this that he did, he's really regretting it now, and it's giving him pain in his heart. In this channeling, I'm also getting this that he is listening to her voice. Maybe he has some voice messages of hers that he keeps listening to, or he has some videos of her, video messages or videos or audio messages. He is actually referring back to it just to listen to her, just to listen to her, just to watch her, just to look into her eyes. And I also picked up one thing that he uses the social media. So he just says this to himself. He looks at her video or he listens while listening to his audio. He says hashtag major missing. He says that hashtag major missing. I really picked this up. I don't know how, but I picked it up. Hashtag major missing. And he's actually feeling this major missing. You know, when you're really like missing someone, he's going through that. Now, one thing is also popping out in this channeling is that the reasons he fought with her, he told her that he's not ready. He told her that he doesn't feel the intensity the way she feels it, or he doesn't see it the way she's seeing it. Maybe he does like her, he does love her, but he cannot cope up with all the fights and all the differences they have. So it's just not possible for him to, take it any further, and she should not call him or she should not message him. And after that, he just blasted her off like in a very mean way. And now he's thinking that looking at her or thinking about her, he is actually feeling that she was a diva at that time. So she is a diva in present tense. She is a diva, and a diva like her, she approached me, she came to me, she told me that she loves me, and I simply rejected her and just kept her hanging for some time, and then I just kept, like dilly-dallying her, or just, and then I just even ignored her. So he's thinking about all that, and he's now thinking that do I even deserve to be with her? Am I even worthy of being with her? What is it that I have done for her? And this is her question. She had asked him this question that have you done anything for me? What is it that you've done for me? Still I love you. Still you're the one for me because I am going by my intuition. And he had laughed at this. Oh, intuition. Oh, that's very funny. So you think that all your intuitions are right? And she said, yes, my intuitions are right. My predictions are right. I know what I feel. I know what I know. And he had laughed at her at that time. He had sort of mocked her at that time. So now it's like all of this is haunting him very badly. And he is thinking that, she indeed was a spiritual girl. When he says was, it means when he reminisces. So she was a spiritual person. She wasn't lying. She was speaking the truth. And she did have real feelings for me. And look at me. What did I do? I just completely threw it away. And I was such a skeptic. I was a skeptical person in terms of love. Though I was looking for love all my life, but I became like a total skeptic. So now what do? I am going to work on myself. And he's saying this to the divine feminine's voice notes or videos or photograph. I also catch a person, he is holding her photograph or kept the photograph in front of him on his study or something, or it's like a screensaver or like a wallpaper on his laptop. You might be thinking this is just so not possible, but it is possible. So he is looking at the picture and he's saying this to her that I am going to be worthy of you. I'm going to work on myself. Because somewhere he is also thinking that he said that he's not ready because at that time he didn't feel ready in a very worldly way. In a materialistic way, he felt that he wasn't ready. But now he thinks that I'm working on myself. I will make sure that I give her whatever she deserves, because now it's about what she deserves. Now it's not about what I can give her. It's like what she deserves is the best of me and the best of anything I do. She deserves that. She is my queen. She is my love. But then he keeps touching his heart and he feels like, oh my God, this heartache, this pain, and I have to pretend so much to others so that no one finds out about my pain. This energy that I am catching on to is matching a lot with 5 of Cups, and I had a very similar channeling, done a similar channeling about 10 odd months back or 7 odd months back. But at that time, the energy was more to do with karmics. Now, what I see is in this channeling, there are no karmics, nothing whatsoever, nothing, no attachments, no flings, nothing. He's been clean, pure hermit phase for all these months. And after being in the hermit phase, after doing all of his work, whatever he was saying in his head that I need to do this, these are my goals, these are my areas, I need to, all those things he's doing now, but he's not at peace. He thought that after the karmic phase was over, he thought that now he will be at peace because now he's completely focused on what he wants. But when he was with the karmic, then also he was thinking about the DF, sorry. And now when he's alone, when he's just focused on his goals, and this is what he thought will bring him peace and contentment, he's again thinking about her. So it's like her thoughts have not left him at all, but now he is becoming more open to the fact that it is her. So he's going back to the voice messages, he's going back to whatever text messages he had, whatever he had, all the content he had from her, whatever he made it with her, he is listening to it, watching it, and he's reminiscing of those times that he spent with her. And with the 5 of cups, the solid 5 of cups, he is now also in that dark gloomy gown, looking down. He still has something to look forward to regarding the divine feminine. He still feels that maybe if he works on himself, maybe he becomes a better man, if he becomes worthy of her, and if he has something to offer to her, something really genuine to propose to her and to give to her, then he would have his chances with her, because he cannot even imagine going up to a woman like her without a proper proposal, without a proper offer, without anything. He thinks that whatever happened in the past, and he's also blaming that side of him, like he was immature or he wasn't ready. So he's like, now I'm gonna be completely ready, because I don't want it to be seen as an excuse. She might just say to me, oh, you were not ready at that time, so are you ready now? What if she says that? So he's making all of those preparations, he's doing all of his homework, his groundwork. With a heartache, with a sad emotion, he's somehow bracing himself, lifting himself up, and he's going on his path, he's going on his way. So thank you so much for being here with me. One love and peace out.